Hi everyone, welcome back to Mommy Shelly's kitchen again. So for today we are going to make tempura and braided shrimp, salmon and veggies. Shrimp here, we have carrots, we have squash, I have snap peas, and I have jalapenos. Okay, so we have eggs here. This one is a combination of rice flour and just all-purpose flour. I have here breadcrumbs. As you can see, there's some white spots there and black. Those are white and sesame seeds with garlic in it. So breadcrumbs, white sesame, white and black sesame seeds and garlic. I also have here the garlic seasoning, salt of course, with salt in it, and I would like to put parsley flakes into our mixture here. And of course, when you're making tempura, you need the cold water. Because you can see I still have some ice in here. Ice water. So, what I'm going to do now is I would like to take a little bit of this out. So this I'm going to okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of this, half maybe. Okay, and let's see. And I am going to just put that on the side. I'm going to add a little bit of water here. Okay, now let's just mix it. I forgot to put a little bit of seasoning in here, just a little bit, and the rest of it I'm gonna add it on into the dry one, and even over here. Okay, a little more. Okay. So we have that. So this is the consistency that we have for that, and I am going to add the parsley flakes, dried one, a little bit over here. Okay, and just mix it. Okay, that would be our top coating right here. So what we're gonna do, we're going to put our shrimp, dip it into our eggs, and then dip it here, dip it back here, and then last is this. All right, so let's see, let's try to do it. Let's get started. Let me try doing one here. That's our egg. And I think I'm going to transfer it. Hold on. Let's transfer it that way. And here, oops, was over. I'm going to do that. And okay, so this looks good already. Let's put that over here. Do the rest. And here. And last, right there, the coating. Okay. Okay, let's start putting our shrimp. Yeah. Oops. Remember, this can cook quick. By the time it will float, that's it. That should be done. Alright, let's take it out. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Okay. Okay, so I decided to make some because my daughter didn't like the one with the breadcrumbs, so I decided to just, without the breadcrumbs, put the egg and the flour. And I made some. Look, this is what it looks like. This is the one with the breadcrumbs. And just turn that this side. I think we're gonna put some of the vegetables now. Still have some space. Another vegetable there. Okay. So the vegetables, I decided not to put the breadcrumbs. I ran out of breadcrumbs. So it's the vegetable, the one with the breadcrumbs. You see, because the color is different. This is the vegetable without the breadcrumbs, just the egg and the flour. Okay, I think our shrimp is ready. Alright, let's take out the vegetables, the squash here. Look how beautiful that is. Let's put it in there. And next would be the jalapeno and the snap pea. Alright, let's put our vegetable. More vegetable. That's a squash. This is the jalapeno. Another squash. Squash. We have the snap pea. And another squash. Alright, let's take out. Look at that. It's gorgeous. And squash. Look at how beautiful that is. Okay. Okay. So, I decided to add or to cook salmon because I still have extra of the coating, the flour and stuff. So here, these are the salmon. So that's gonna be our additional. All right, it's plating time. So let's get started. So let's put our, let me see. Well, let's put that one over here. We have our lettuce. I think I'm gonna do the lettuce like that. Here. is our final tempura and braided shrimp, salmon, and vegetables. I hope you had a great time cooking with me. And if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone, and thank you all for watching.